Want to know if Contacts Plus is worth using? This video reviews its real-world performance, reliability, and value beyond just features so you can decide smartly. Part 1. Contacts Plus. Brief overview. Contacts Plus syncs contacts across Android, iOS, Mac, PC, Gmail, and Office 365. Import, deduplicate, and organize contacts with notes and tags to save time and simplify management. Part 2. Contacts Plus. Pricing and security. Part 3. Contacts Plus. Integrations and support. Contacts Plus integrations works with Zapier and apps like Google Workspace, Microsoft, Slack, MailChimp, Google Sheets, and CRMs. Support, email or help desk, live chat, plus knowledge base, FAQs, webinars, and tutorials. Part 4. Contacts Plus. Pros and cons. Part 5. Contacts Plus. Frequently asked questions. Q1. How many contacts? Plan dependent, free limited, paid large. Q2. Urge duplicates? Yes. Q3. Team sharing? Yes. Q4. Port contacts? Yes. Q5. Notes or tags? Yes. Q6. Auto sync? Yes. Part 6. Contacts Plus. User reviews. A user review from G2. A user review from Capterra. A user review from Software Advice. 6. Part 7. Contacts Plus. A more reliable alternative. Designed for users who want deeper control over their Android data. Mobikin Assistant for Android, Windows, Mac offers powerful desktop-based management that goes beyond simple syncing. Open Mobikin Assistant for Android and connect your phone. Select contacts to view and manage all contacts directly from your PC.